iPhone 13 series may arrive in September 2021. The upcoming lineup will feature a smaller display notch compared to iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 Pro may feature a 120Hz LTPO panel. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro are the two much anticipated models expected to launch around September globally. Both these devices have been subjected to a plethora of leaks. In order to keep you updated, we have put down this detailed article to talk about everything we know so far about the iPhone 13 and iPhone Pro. The upcoming iPhone 13 models have been tipped to follow the same design language as the current iteration. Also, several leaks and renders have appeared to suggest that the upcoming iPhone 13 lineup will feature a trimmed-down display notch. Apple is said to achieve this by placing the infrared flood illuminator, sensor and dot projector in a single module. Mac rumors also showcase the front panels of the upcoming iPhone 13 series with a downsized display notch. We can also see that the earpiece has now been moved to the top bezel. Apple recently conducted the spring-loaded event successfully on the scheduled date. And now, the Cupertino giant is gearing up for WWDC 2021, which is slated to take place between June 7th to June 11th. With no delay in events, we expect the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro to be launched in September this year as usual. However, that might change as we have continuously heard about chip shortages and other supply chain constraints. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro India price are as follows. Much like the launch date, there's hardly any information about the pricing of the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. However, keeping the previous pricing trends in mind, we expect these devices to ship at a starting price of 80,000 rupees and 119,000 rupees, respectively.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Click the show links and enjoy watching the video.